Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have on mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Stellar is a mid-position cryptographic money, as of now valued at $125,111 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $3,567,928,934 in an unobtrusive manner. Over the past not very many years, cryptographic forms of money, including Stellar, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world, and basically are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources, like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards forks. A few institutional financial backers in any event, in every practical sense, consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an unpretentious way. Retail financial backers and merchants truly are keen on digital currencies by and large, for example, XLM, in light of the fact that this certainly is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources explicitly have the very potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a generally beautiful brief time frame. These profits, in every practical sense, are genuinely impossible in genuinely different business sectors, which is the justification for why most moderate financial backers sort of are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Stellar, while the groundbreaking ones certainly give a critical part of their fundamentally money to this quickly creating resource class, which truly is very huge. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Stellar to the level at $125,111 where it presently sits, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, XLM for the most part is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 32nd spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the by and large metric that sought not set in stone by duplicating the genuinely current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. On account of Stellar, the market capitalization explicitly remains at $3,567,928,934. The significance of this boundary will truly be made sense of later, which basically is very huge. Our cost expectation calculation in a real sense is planned in genuinely such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to truly give our endorsers the most reliable data on the extremely present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily especially evaluate the condition of their portfolio and in every way that really matters, choose whether or not it explicitly needs to for the most part be reconfigured, which essentially is very critical. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which for the most part is somewhat basic for the by and large right assessment of both pretty current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its certainly present and future heading in a for the most part significant manner. Beneath you will find exceptionally key portions of this verifiable information, so you also could really have a comprehension of where the Stellar market fundamentally is going in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on February 29, XLM for the most part was esteemed at $1.2078 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Sort of recall that digital currencies basically are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. The cost change rate-wise over the said period explicitly added up to 0.19%, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on February 23, Stellar most certainly was exchanged at $1.15.72 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its by and large present position. On February 1, which in every practical sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged XLM at $21.12,718, the cost level that essentially is at the distance of 10.99% from where it as of now stands, truly further appearance how quite financial backers and dealers especially are fundamentally keen on digital currencies for example XLM on the grounds that this for the most part is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources explicitly have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately brief time frame, or so they explicitly thought. The cost of XLM and the readings of CVIX in a real sense are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market capitalization in a real sense is another significant metric that in a real sense assists traders with really deciding the prevalence of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities, or so they sort of thought. It's likewise used to basically evaluate the offer that Stellar by and large holds inside the kind of whole digital money market in an unpretentious manner. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization most certainly is somewhat basic. The coursing supply of the money being referred to in every practical sense is duplicated by its really current cost, showing that market capitalization sort of is one more significant kind of metric that especially helps merchants sort of decide the prevalence of the cryptographic money. Monetary world and most certainly are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms forks, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on February 29, the market capitalization of Stellar for the most part remained at $3,450,140.43 in a significant manner. 7 days prior, on February 23, the capitalization of XLM explicitly was $3,283,328.37, or so they for the most part thought. A month prior, on February 1, how much really capital? Streaming around this truly specific market sort of added up to $3,198.33,434, which truly is genuinely huge. Most cryptographic money financial backers fundamentally stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a kind of specific digital currency and its capacity to explicitly endure disturbances which essentially are the very normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market, or so they truly thought. The in every practical sense greatest stock of Stellar in a real sense is 50,806,812 XLM. The extremely complete stockpile of XLM right now remains at 50,787,030 coins, which really is genuinely huge. The coursing supply of the digital money under audit really is 28,5 and 18,28,121 XLM, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. This Stellar cost expectation wouldn't generally be for the most part total without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the really metric utilized by essentially all cryptographic money merchants to by and large affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move in a for the most part enormous manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain in a real sense is happening on the rear of the especially low exchanging volume, there basically is an exceptionally high likelihood that this move really is unreasonable and would especially bring about a bullish snare, showing how this Stellar cost expectation wouldn't certainly be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the truly metric utilized by essentially all digital currency brokers to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move, which by and large is genuinely critical. Thusly, it's critical to by and large examine the fundamentally past,